Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys everything that you can now craft in the crafting table in the latest Grow a Garden update. So if you go to crafting tables here, there are some new items that you can craft. You can craft the silver ingot, gold ingot, silver piggy, golden piggy, and Chimera Stone. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm so sorry. And basically they have their like abilities as well. They have their info, not really abilities. I don't know what these are for, if I'm being honest. But here you need sugar apple, buttercup seed, basic sprinklers for this. I'll explain in another video. Um, let's see the information. For every gold ingot cosmetic you have in your garden, nearby pests in a radius. Oh, okay. So this is more like a cosmetic for both of these piggies. And this is just for, I don't know actually. I'll have to test it out in another video, but that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!